Cool internet, don't fail me. Do not fail me. It's active, man. It's active. Ready, ready. Who there? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Factorize completely. Let me big it up. Let me big it up. All who not gone to them school, we still there, phone, you know. Right now, at my school, me there have one workshop and I'm lunchtime this, and we still have to do some work. Because guess what? The work never end. Factorize completely 4y square minus z square. Some people still are struggle with this now, guys, and I 1 week before x. I'm going to chat and see what I go on. Only for the right sheet, me the plan. We have 30 minutes left for lunchtime, guys. Let's go, let's go. Who there? Hayden, big up yourself. Tanis, God bless, big up yourself. Want to see the answers them are saying, guys. So factorize completely. 4y square minus z square. Then I block the thing there, block the thing there. All right, so if I get something like this in the examination, here, Aiden, you have to find the square root of both, right? So it's what number we multiply by itself to give us 4y squared? That will be 2y. So that's 2y squared. And of course, that's z times z. So that's z squared. I talk like the Americans, you know, z squared. Of course, you have 2 on either side, 1 on either side. So you have 2y. One should be plus and 1 minus. So that's 2y minus z. Who are them school? Big up on the teacher. Shanice, big up yourself. What about this one? 2ax minus 2ay minus bx plus by. 2 marks for that. Could you guys get the 2 marks for that in the comment section? Leon, Wagwan. Jaden Campbell said 2a minus b bracket x minus y. Anybody else? How you guys feel about the exam? Ready for exam? Come on, guys. 1 minute to solution. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Work where work and chicken where jerk. So basically, this are factorized by grouping. All right. So we are factorized it by grouping, right? So it means that we're going to bracket off these by pairs. All right. And then we take out the highest. Somebody said them scared. Don't be scared, man. Just prepare. Just preparation, do it, guys. What if people are going live on them thing then? You know? We have to take out the highest common factor. The highest common factor would have been 2, right? That's the highest number can go into both. So we take out the 2, and then we look which letter is common. Now, A is common to both. So we take out the A as well, and then we divide. So we divide 2ax by 2a, and that will leave x. 2a into negative 2ay. So that's negative 2ay divided by positive 2a. A cancel A, so that leave minus y. Be careful with this sign. You will lose marks if you put minus where a plus should be. All right, we put a minus now. Which letter is common? That's B. Y is not common, right? So we take out to B, and then that would leave x. Negative B into by is going to give us negative y as well. So it's x minus y, just like what Aiden had said, 22a minus b. That would be our answer. Big up to all who get it. Let's try another one, guys. Factorize this one. 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. Come on, guys. These are very popular topics on CXC. You want to ensure so you get them. So you just have to go and prepare, man. That's all you need to do. Preparation is everything, guys. We have 17 days. So just go and prepare. All we link up for the marathon is, we now wait for it, guys. We now wait for it. Still have 25 minutes out of my lunchtime. Let's go, let's go. All right. Aiden, okay, you can work maths fast, So Aiden said 3x minus 2 and x plus 4. I'll drop this down somewhere. So he says 3x minus 2. And what? X plus 4. So guys, I want one person on the line active. Like you guys need to join the math marathon, man. Hello. Hi, morning. Yeah, man, I will. I'm actually on a live now, but I will. Yesterday, I text me earlier. Oh, Lord. My phone come like a hot line. I'm so sorry. I'm going to read it, though. Okay. Yeah. Come on, I will. All right. Mm. Hmm? Hmm? Oh, the lunch. Yeah, you can bring it, man. We're not ready for live, man. Bring your lunch, bro. Hmm? Where they bring the lunch, miss? Oh, they not have no fries. Tell him to buy something else, man. Festival. But no old festival, cause yo, we don't want that. Some fresh festival with just fries, is it? Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. So after we get all the factors, right? We have to see which one of them we can manipulate to give us positive 10. So this would have been 2 and 12, right? Because we need to manipulate it in such a way that we get positive 10, right? So it will be 3x squared. Miss? Yeah, tell him take that, miss. As long as I know some old time piece from before holiday. All right. So guys, we bracket them off. And then we're going to do the same thing, just like what we did up there, take out the highest common factor. So what's the highest number that can go into 3 and 12 without leaving a remainder? That would be 3, right? And of course, x is common. And from there, we just divide again. 3x squared into 3x squared divided by 3x would be x. And of course, 12x divided by, that would be 4. Stick out the minus, and then we do the same thing. As the highest number can go in at 2 and 8, that will be 2, and then we divide again. Be careful when you're doing this because you have negative 2x divided by minus 2. So the negative will cancel the negative and the 2 cancel 2. So that leaves 2. And then, no, that leaves x. And then negative 2 into negative 8 will leave positive 4. Negative cancel negative, right? Once you get the x plus 4 that is common to both, then you know, say you're done. Okay. Free up the mark, CXC. CXC, I feel like you're sure, guys. Guys, there is nothing to be nervous about, you know. The 17 days will leave, just prepare. All right, so it will be x plus 4 and 3x minus 2. Sometimes students will say, if you put the x plus 4 at the front, does it matter? No, because at the end of the day, it's multiplication, right? At the end of the day, it's multiplication. So it doesn't matter. 3 times 2 and 2 times 3 is the same result. Guys, if you need a background noise, at school me there at lunchtime. Workshop me there, you know. But no one found them in school. A big money still. Telling no peer, telling no principal. Big money popping anywhere we go. Alright, let's try this one, guys. The diagram below shows 3 diagrams in a sequence. I come up with that one already, so. Is it something missing off it, man? The wires equal length which are joined ends the ball of Cassine diagram 1 is joined is made of 12 wires and 8 balls. Wipe on the balls, but yeah, you know what I mean. Alright. And then of course it says this is diagram 1. Now I say them say thus diagram 2 has 8 more wires and 4 more balls. Why? Than diagram 1. So they give you a description. It said on the sheet provided, draw a sketch of diagram 4. We're going to X out that, guys. May I leave that to you? We can't get to see it on the chat. But to me, to school, me like the belly that give me. All right, it's a complete the table by inserting the missing values at the rows marked 1 and 2. So basically, this is a row 1, and we're going to put the one here for 2. So I'm checking our chat and see what I go on. Who can get that one then? All right, some Kayla say, what year paper this? Kayla is a mixture. Big up Shanice Wheatley. It's a mixture of papers, guys. I don't just do 1 year paper like that. What I do, I look for different type of questions, like I look for factorization, algebra, all of that, so we can practice all the type of questions. So this one, very popular on CXC. Let's see if we can figure it out. What's supposed to go for 4? What's supposed to go for 20? All right, somebody said 36 and 20. That have a 4. Citrus respectfully. Aiden say diagram 4, 36. Tani said 36 wire and 30 bars. Wipe on the bars, but yeah. Yo. 3620. That's how Williams said that. That's a 4. All right, cool. I'm 4. All right, somebody said 44 feet 20 and 24. Yeah. Cooking with sand says 16 and 12. Little boy said 37 and 24. We want some more answers, guys. Enough of we there, man. Enough of we there upon the live. Go on. One minute to solution. I could look at 4 first. Before we go there, guys, I could reason it out. I always show students the particular way here where they can do it, right? But never teach me this, guys. That's why I don't say it in hard. That math teacher forgot to teach me in high school. I never knew this. All right, so what it is now, we have 12, 20. So what we can do, look at the difference. There's a pattern going this direction, right? So if you look at it closely, this is a plus 8. So that means they multiply by 8. The fact that 8 is continuous, so you have 8, I could say n, plus the number we are actually looking for now, different from the n, the 8, I could call it x. All right, I could use the first one as example. So we will find out what x when n are 1. So what we do, we plug in 1 for n, and we search for x. Everybody has searched for them x. So 8 ones 8 plus x is equal to 12. So we transpose, so we get rid of the plus 8 by minus 8 from both sides. So that would be 12 minus 8. So what this means, the number that we're looking for would have been 4. So for this formula, it would be 8n plus 4. Now we can check to see if that can consistent throughout, right? So 8 to 16 plus the 4, 20. 8 3 is 24 plus that 28. So that means that we are going to say 8 times 4 plus the 4 to give us this one. So 8 4s are 32 and that. I did say 36. So I agree. Same thing we are looking for that one here now. We are going this direction. So we have 8 and 12. So the difference of 4. Difference is 4 again. So that means they multiplied a number by 4, other x, and then they get the result. So I use the first one again. All right, I could use when n are 1. So when n is 1, we have 4 times 1 plus x is equal to 8. So 4 ones are 4 plus x equal 8. So x is equal to 8 minus 4. So x is 4. So the number that we're looking for would have been 4n plus 4, because that's what we get for x, right? So we just plug in now. We have 4. So 4, 4, 16 plus 4, 20. Let me see what you guys got for this one. I said 20 now. All right, Lewin. Big up, Lewin. One Jamaican, big up yourself. So let's look at this one now. Remember, we said this is 8n. This one is 8n, right? So 8 times the 20, that would have been 160. So nobody never get that one here then, guys. Nobody never get 20. So it would be 8. Somebody say 8 times 20 is what? No, 160 plus the 4. So that's what? 164. Yeah, Aiden, I agree with that. For this one now, 20 where I use again. So 4 times 20, that's 80. Plus the 4, so that would be 84. So guys, no one got that one apart from Aiden Campbell. But I did see persons get the formula, so good job, good job. All right, them say write the rules. Oh, we actually did the rules already, right? Hey, they didn't have to put on the BALLS on it, man. Let's say 84. We're good with that. We're good with that. So, guys, this is the rule, right? So, this one was for the 20. The wire was 8n plus the 4. And for this one, it would have been 4n plus 4. So, we actually got all the answers already. Good job. Good job. You go. Come on, we did this already. You know? I remember doing this. Probably a different set of students. Let's go, guys. Make sure someone like the video. Say using a the fraction. Everybody afraid of fraction, you know why? Yeah, the fraction from grade 2, guys. Why are you afraid of fraction? There's nothing to fear but fear itself, right? Three marks. What's the answer for that 3 marks? Right, I'm going to chat now and see what I go on. Who can do fraction? Oh, Shana K, check out Uncle Drew for chemistry. Where gentleman from Trinidad name? Mr. Terry. Remember chemistry channel? Can check it out. All right. Yeah, because the paper look I can pick out the wrong paper, guys. It's supposed to on my channel already. See that's why I say on Friday we did do it. Because I'm saying why this looks so familiar. But you see, because I have so many of them, I can pull out the wrong one. I soon go into the compulsory topics, you know, guys. The circle theorem, the vectors, the matrices, the trigonometry, writing in the form and all of those things. I'm gonna shut up the fraction, because I don't see nobody else do the fraction, you know, guys. What go on? All right, Sean, okay. Thanks to you as well, because without you guys as an audience, it wouldn't make sense, right? So I'm gonna shut it up, guys. Basically, we work out this bracket first, and then we divide this bracket, and then we add. So 1 times 4, that's 4, plus that 7 over 4, minus 1 over 8. So once you're adding and subtracting, you must bring them to the same denominator if they are not, right? All right, see the answer coming in there now. Whiz, big up yourself. 14 into 8, 2 times. 7 twos, 14. 8 into 8, 1. So we multiply that, give us 1. So the first part work out to 13 over 8. But we have to work out the second part. Shoot. Virgins are 9 over 6. No question now, guys. So we change the division to multiplication and reciprocate. So 3 into itself, 1, 2. So how may I get 5 over 4? Virgins are 9 over 4 now, guys. I'm showing you here. But virgins are 9 over 4. So why me I get? Remember? No, but remember, so when you are multiplying, you find LCM, no? And when you are add. No, man, a multiplication. 5 over 6 plus. No, no, plus, a divide, a divide. Divide? Yeah, man, a divide. Why look like plus? Yeah, so we're going to add now. Oh. Yeah, because I threw a device. Yeah, yeah. I think that was yeah, yeah. All right, so I'm going shut it up now. We find the LCM of 8 and 4. Once you're adding and subtracting, you must bring them to the same denominator, right? So it would have been 8. 8 into 8, 1. So multiply that, which gives us 1. 4 into 8, 2. 5 2 is 10. So that work out to 23/8. And of course, we see some people work it out 8 2 times, right? And 7/8. I saw 1 and 3/10. That one would a little bit be off. And guys, I pull out the wrong rabbit out the bag, you know. This wasn't the paper that I was supposed to be doing, no, but it no matter, I could go and do it. Some people never there. I know only takes so long to find the channel, you know, guys. What go on? A driller? Oh no, using a calculator, otherwise calculate the value of the square root of 2.891 plus 1.2 divided by 1.3 bracket square. What's the answer for that? You can use a calculator, guys. All right, I see 2.37, I see 2.4, definitely. All right. Work it out for yourself, but we're just gonna write the answer here. That's 2.4. Okay. All right, given here, it's a driller paid 6,800 for 165 bracelets bought in China. The custom department in his country charged 1,360 in duty. Calculate the total cost of 165 bracelets inclusive of tax.
There's added 6,000 plus the 1 will be 1360.
All right, some bridging say if you just add the 6,800 plus 1,360. How much again?
8160.
You say 8160. That when you get, guys. So 8160, and that's a 1 mark, right? That is a free mark by CXC. As long as you know what inclusive mean, then it shouldn't be a problem. All right, so him that get that 1 mark then. Let's see if he can get the 2 mark, guys. He said the jeweler sold 165 bracelets at a selling price of $68.85 each. Calculate the total profit he made on the sale of the 165 bracelet. Guys, are 4 minutes to my lunchtime, and the youth not bring the lunch yet. What a go on? What a go on? Calculate the total profit made. Now go in the comment section, you know, go in the comment section.
Multiply the 68.25 by 165.
All right, tell me how much you get.
I use a calculator.
Yeah, man, a calculator, a paper too. Oh, guys, calculator allowed, right? A paper too. So you are allowed the calculator. But for this.
So the total would be 11,000. 11,160.
11,360.
So now minus that, minus the 8160 from that.
All right, so guys, let me do him say. Say 165 times the 68, 85.
3,425.
And of course, him say him get 11,360.25. But this is not the profit, right? This is the gross. So he said that also minus the 8,160 from it. How much I get? 3,000?
200.
3,200.
200.25.
3,000.
200.
200.25.
0.25.
3,200.25. Guys, you know, agree with that. Him get 3,200.25. Me see profit 3,406. The chat now agree with them. Chat now agree with it at all. The number seems correct.
It is correct.
You say your one correct?
Yeah.
So I chat wrong.
Okay, you have to add on. Once you multiply it, one of them is $68, right?
Mm-hmm.
58.85.
Yeah.
So you have to multiply it by the amount we myself, which is the 165.
Yeah.
So when you get the 165, the total would have been 11,365.25. But you want to know how much profit you make by already do. So you have a minus how much you pay from the entire thing.
So Melissa agree with you. Aiden agree and Shannon. Big up, man. Big up, big up. So the profit, guys, it'll be 3,200. All right, B now. Let me see if you can angle B. Trouble there. He said, calculate the profit as a percentage of the cost price, giving your answer to the nearest whole number. If you get everything, guys, including this one, big up Lataya. If you get this one, it means that you'd have gotten 11 marks in CXC. Trust me, guys, CXC is not that hard. We don't know what is coming though, but if we prepare, then it's not that hard. Trust me. Preparation is the key. Stop the laziness and I say, oh, I'm go on TikTok, go scroll. But you join the marathon and them thing there too. Test your skill, test your speed. But so we read section 2 now, you know, so we have the circle theorem, matrices, vectors, all of them something that we are doing now. 22? 32. So guys, you think at 32%. 32. Let's see what the comment section I say. Comment section, I want to make him pass on. I want to go on.
Because you divide by 100% value is over 100.
Comment section, I want to make him pass on. Man said 32%. Now wait for the comment section. Now wait for it. When there, man. Can't body up, man. They can't. So you say calculate the profit as a percentage of the cost price. Notice those keywords: profit, cost price, profit, cost price. Me not see the answer, guys. Me not see the answer at all. What's happening? What's happening?
That's the cost price. Oh, shit. I just see what. Cost price. You know, 60 years. Yeah. Oh, my God. Let's make it calculate.
To come at students on my Friday fries them, you know, guys. No, me not get my lunch. Supposed to get 40 minutes and 40 minutes. Me dep on the live and no, my lunch not ready. I have to go call Crave 7, you know, call Crave 7. All right, we say 67%. That's the first answer, let me see.
It would have be 0.6885%. So that'd be 0.7%.
So you saw 67?
Yeah, 0.7%. 0.7% profit on the cost price.
All right, I'm comment it, guys. Big up Courtney this Dixon.
Yeah, on the cost price.
So, guys, look how easy it is, right? We know the profit is 3,200. So, we know say it got involved the 3,200. Now that high profit.
Yeah.
Oh, you feel find the percentage or profit and made the profit. That I first thing.
Cost price.
The cost price was one, 8,160. That was given up there, so yeah, the 8,160 was given in, man.
Oh.
With the custom duty. Somebody said 39%. Me believe that person. Let me see that who they said. Lataya said 39. I believe the 39 more than the 67. Work out that on the calculator, guys, and tell me one again. Because remember, it's the profit. Let me just write it over here. So, it's the profit over the cost price. But remember, we know the total cost price, right? You know the total cost price is 160. Guys, make sure so you watch the ads, you know. Yeah, Lataya. The two Lataya get it. Lataya Rowe and Lataya Williams.
No, man. If we're working the percent of the total profit.
No, listen what I say. It's a calculate the profit as a percentage of the cost price. So you have to include those two. As I was saying in the earlier live when I did this, some students might be tempted to use the selling price, which is the 11,360. But it clearly says the cost price. The cost price is the total that the customer pay will have the something. Yeah, Shanice, but Shanice, remember they said to the nearest whole number, right? So the nearest whole number will be 39. All right, so we are in agreement that it's 39%. Somebody said them not agree, guys. I could go and check it till them figure it out. School with it, guys. A school with it. Try the next one. Solve for x, where x is a real number.
0.39.
But remember, you're not times it by 100%. If you get 0.93, right? Remember, say half the times it by 100%.
3,200. 3,200 divided by 8,001
times 100%. Yeah, Courtney, I agree with Courtney. Next one, guys. Next one. Him agree. We're good. Him agree. Yeah.
Oh.
Solve that one here, guys. Solve for x, where x is a real number. 2 bracket x minus 6 plus 3x, and that less than equal to 8. What's the value of x? And that's 3 marks. 6, it was generous that here. So it's 3 marks for that one. Oh, my laptop plug in and it not charge. Oh, I currently know something. I have battery life, guys. You know, go and do the work. I'm checking in chat. I don't see no answer yet. Go on. Subscribers, them go up, man. Big up on yourself to all who just subscribe to my channel. That is so cool. We still not see the answer yet, guys. Once I get bracket, what do you do when you get bracket? Or if I get fraction, what you do? You have to get rid of the bracket, right? That's how much work. You get rid of the bracket before you can solve. All right, we say x. Which me I go assume say you mean less than or equal to 4, right? See Louis get the right sign there. Without the equal, yeah. We may understand, guys. Even if you put equal, we are going to accept it. As long as it's correct, we still are going to accept it. General, just I get the 39%. This to me chat the freeze. Me chat the freeze, you know, because me just somebody said 39%. That gone a long time. But pick up yourself same way, Janelle, Gail. All right, so we expand the bracket, guys, right? That's the first thing we have to do.
5x squared minus 6.
5x squared minus 6. No square can't involve. Because look, remember it's a 2 times x, you know, which is 2x. 2 times negative 6, negative 12.
Oh,
yeah. But less than or equal to 8. So basically gonna do our x is the everybody want that at some point in their life. And then we add to get 5x minus 12 less than or equal to 8. So what we do, we add 12 to both sides. So now we have 5x less than or equal to 20. And the final step is to divide. Oh, you're just joining Gail. All right, big up, man, big up. Oh, that means that you're chat the little delay. Yeah, you guys are correct. Good job. The next live, guys, is gonna be a different paper. I think I've gone through this paper already. All right, so it's a using number line to show. You know, you guys can do that in our chat. So let me just do that. So we are do less than or equal to 4. So we could just drop a 0 there. So show them so we understand the number line, right? We have a 1, we have a 2, we have a 3, and we have a 4. So less than, we go to 4, right? We need to know if it's supposed to be block out or open. This would be block out because of the equal sign. So block it out. I also need to know which direction. What are the numbers that are less than 4? We go this direction, right? So 3, 2, 1 to infinity. So that will give them the answer. It's continue until infinity. You know, easy it is, guys. And next factorization. Friend say it easy, you know, guys. So you don't have to say it easy too, because him say it easy. And guys, make sure you share it within the classmate. No selfish thing, all right? So factorize this one. 3x minus 6y plus ax minus 2ay. I mean, I think we do this part though. I think we done the other part, but I don't think we did this part. Factorize that one, guys. I'm going to chat. Guys, I only 5 people like the video so far. Yo, my heart broke, man. Like the video now, guys, man. Like the video so they can recommend it to more students. Hello, good afternoon. How are you? Eh? You know, you have the time though? It's a lot of, you have the time? All right. All right, me the one live now. Me I gotta tell you like what me need, and then you tell me how much it gonna cost, and then we can negotiate. Oh, I haven't get the timetable yet, you know. As soon as I get it, man, I'll make you guys know. I think because the school is on holiday now, so I think probably after the holiday, yeah, because it's just few days leave. So after the holiday, we'll definitely get them and make everybody get them. Yeah, man, I'm serious as well. So I'm gonna text you shortly because me dey on live now on YouTube. Yeah, all right. All right, guys. So we have 3x minus 6y plus ax minus 2ay. Let me check the answer. All right, me see x minus 2y plus 3 plus a. Only Wiz and statics, me see post. Latoya Williams as well. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Work we are work and a chicken we are jerk. So we bracket off with terms, them, right? And then we take out the highest common factor. What's the highest number? Can go into 3 and 6 without leaving a remainder. Remember, we listen the factors. The factors of 3, 1, and 3. We open a primary school teacher, and guys, and them teaching the factors and them things. You see? 16 hard, you know, the same thing we want to do in a primary school. We go all them pep students them. So we have 3 now, and then because y is different from x, so we x it out. So 3 into that leave x. What is 3 into negative 6y?
Minus 1 and minus 1 is the factor.
Minus 2y, right? All right, over that side here now, over minus, very important. What's common in this bracket? Ax minus 2ay. What common? Which letter or which number common to both? Here somebody say A. That will be true. A is common, so you take out the A. We can't take out the X, we can't take out the Y because it's not in both. And of course, we divide now negative AX divided by negative A. Like show steps, you know. So that leave X. Guys, when I wake up for join the marathon, I must say only 9 marathon left or 8, you know. What you guys waiting on? And then negative 2AY. I need to send my students that video that you know the video. I'm not sending the last video. So this would leave 2y, right? Because the a will cancel the a. So this leave minus 2y. Hold on, something not right, man. This a plus. And the bracket cause hold on guys. But put the bracket and think a minus. So this is actually plus. So this is plus. Sorry. Guess what? Put the bracket there and think a minus. So now this would have been, yeah, so we get the minus now for real. Because I was saying that couldn't be. So positive into that, leave the negative. This is actually plus, so the negative will remain. All right, so the final answer will be x minus 2y and 3 plus a. And if you have the a at the front, if you have the 3 plus a at the front, it is still correct. All right. Because remember, it's multiplication. Next one, guys, p squared minus 1. Factorize that one. That shouldn't take you less than more than a minute. What's the square root of p squared? Is it Mama P, Sister P, or Jackie P?
Minus 1 bracket.
All right, static say p plus 1, p minus 1, Wiz say no. Static say p minus 1, p plus 1. Static say p plus 1 and p minus. That's how I say the same thing. P minus 1. All right. Oh, Yun Ho. Are you from China? Tell me, the person named Oh Yun Ho. Are you from China? That look like a Chinese name. Big up yourself. All right, let's go. So all we're doing is finding the square root, right? What's this? What number multiply by itself to give us that p, right? That's p. So it will be p on either side, and of course, one should be plus and one minus. So that would be our answer: p plus 1 and p minus 1. Chinese, God bless, big up yourself. We got Mama P anyway there. All right, let's move on to another one. Whoa, wait a minute. Where are you going so fast? Expand this one, guys, and then simplify. Oh, no, you're not from China. All right, cool. You just like the name. Big up wherever you're from. So it's a expand and simplify 2k minus 3 and k minus 2. And that's worth 2 marks. That should take you about 1 minute. Remember, guys, you decide your grade, not your teacher. You decide your grade. Whatever work you put in, that you are going to get out. Guys, you can see the art them on the screen too, or just me alone I see it. When you see some art I go up on the side, Or just me alone I see? Make me know, make me know, make me know, make me know. Oh, Johnny say yeah. Yo, they might on YouTube like TikTok, you know. Somebody said no, they can't see it. Oh, some people can see it. I guess it depends on the type of phone you have. I don't know. But me see them guys, me see them a go up. Look so cute. Certain things can't do on TikTok. It have to be YouTube. So if you do on me YouTube, TikTok, you have to just come over. No, me not get my lunch, you know, guys. A good thing say me never just say, yo, me I wait for my lunch. Me just come do the live. All right, no, I know my lunch so forward. I'm gonna get no fruits because the fruits man never did it this morning. All right, so let me see. We said 2k squared minus 7k plus 6. Only one person answer so far, guys. We want to be tired. And a 1 hour we there, you know. No, 1 hour. All right, static said 2k squared minus 7k plus 6. Oh, my name is Lennox Bennett on TikTok. Somebody can type it in. Lennox Bennett. Same name as the YouTube. And me kind of feel, not really feel sad, but me feel like more and more subscribers on YouTube. YouTube are my main platform, you know, guys. And the TikTok I run it down too much. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, all right? See, Kerry Smith said there, Lennox Bennett. I don't think it's gonna be easy or hard, guys. It depends on how prepared you are. If you are prepared, then it's gonna be easy. If you're not, it's gonna be the hardest thing. So that's what it really come down to. CXC have to bring certain topics. They have to bring function, they have to bring fraction, they have to bring whatever standard form, decimal, they have to bring trigonometry, circle theorem. So depends on you. If you are prepared, then you will get them right. But if you are not, then that's how it go. Because we know what is coming, right? Based on the past papers and stuff, we know what is coming. It's just a matter of we have to be prepared for it. So that's why I'm on my workshop at school, I'm on my lunch time, I'm still come on. Because at the end of the day, I do my part as a Jamaican. Alright, so big up to everybody who support me. My channel. Guys, big up if you watch it ad. Me just collect one check today in my bag right now. So anybody who watch it ads them, much love, much love. If you don't watch it ads them, you know, guys, what you deal with? Yeah, bell ring say. Alright, let's go. Let's expand this one. I'm gonna see me bridging do that one you all know. Fearless boss, what go on? So guys, me a color code that one. Me a color code that one here, right? So mistake. I'm wanting to get it. So k minus 2. So what it is, we're going to multiply the first one. We're going to use 2k first. And then we're going to multiply it by k minus 2. Right? And then we use the minus 3 multiply by the k minus 2 again. Because you're going to use the first bracket, the terms in the first bracket, times the second bracket. So make a multiply. You see how easy we are go, guys? We are cruise like Sunday morning. We got me HOD over there, so Mrs. Evans. Yeah. 2K square. So my friend said 2k square, because 2k times k. Why next step? 4. Minus 4? No, that will equal to minus 4 and times 2k. You lift off something, man. Minus 4k. Remember, say the k attached to the 2, you know? Oh. Yeah, yeah. All right. So now we have negative 3 times that, which is minus 3k. Negative times negative. And that will be plus 6. Somebody said we can add something, but I'm not seeing the word. Oh, yeah, man. All right. Somebody just hit the point. Guys, what happened? I'm actually doing the marathon. I did circle theorem. The last class we did circle theorem, vectors. We also look at matrices. So yeah, the persons who are paying me, guys, I can't just give you before them. So I gave them already, so I can go through that. That is why it's good if you can join the marathon, because guess what? This one I give you now, we do it with them long time. So nothing no new to them. Them do it already and just a cruise. So they are ahead. And it makes sense because if they are paying their money or their parents hard earn money, it makes sense. Me can't just, Yeah, bearing is in there as well. So we did bearing as well, but I haven't reached to YouTube with that yet. So minus 7K. I did bearing at Froome High School too, big up everybody from Froome. I gave Froome a something and they did not take it up. I give all the Froome students an offer and they did not take it up. Because I went there and they treat me so good, I offered them some stuff and they have not taken the opportunity. I think only one girl came on and then I think she disappeared. I'm not sure what happened. So one thing with me guys, I don't force students to learn. That's one thing about me. I'm not gonna force you. If you want, I'm willing to help you, but I will never force you. I don't even share my link in groups anymore. Because everybody knows I'm up on YouTube. All right, the diagram below is an accurate floor plan. Floor of a room, rather. All the corners are right angles. All measures shown on the diagram are recorded to the nearest meter. State in terms of x the length of the L, the length of the floor, not the length L. Yeah, man, I did bearings already, guys, but I'm gonna do more. Oh, I do my marathon, I don't just do one thing. So I do bearings, and I have more than one bearings question. But we have done bearings at the marathon, we have done circle theorem, we have done matrices, we have done vectors, we have done graphs. Guys, I'm not joking, people hard earn money. So once you call me number, me I go take your life serious. Me I go take you serious. So we have 9 days leave. And it's only 9,000 Jamaican dollars, believe it or not. And that's about 18 hours. Almost one day to 9,000. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. So when I have my number already, everybody must have my number. Because at the time of the marathon, I do not get to come on to give the free YouTube classes. So guys, take opportunity. See number there? Just WhatsApp me for my banking info. Bank book dry, and guys, if you want a school package, I do give that. So like I have 20 only from one school. I do give that package, because at the end of the day, numbers count, right? So if I 20 I can work out a discount. 45. All right. But you say in terms of X. So X of the involved, right? Johnny, you know the number here, man. 5492161. Let me type it. So we are doing a little commercial break. So 876-549-2161. That's my number, guys. The next class for the marathon is today. And guys, I want to do a little maths show or something. If you are to do reset maths in January, right? The exam fee is going to be about 18,000, roughly. All right, cool. The class fee is gonna be, I charge 5,000 per month. So call that another 20,000. Plus, if you want marathon, call it another 10,000. So that's about 48,000 or 38, right? Yeah. So just imagine you can pay $9,000 and you have a good chance of passing, or to resit, waste time, waste up a bag of money, waste up a bag of time. You could have got UE, but see what if a pretty girl on campus, and you have to do over maths. Could have meet your future wife or husband just by paying the $9,000. You're closer to owning your house just to pay $9,000. Come on, guys. Me know every man pan this want to make them girl go shopping pan Shein. Come on, ladies, call your boyfriend. Make them send over the 9,000 to my account. When you can get my account, just text me and get it. Nothing wrong with that. The boy invest in you. Don't invest in a wig. Can't put wig pan brain and no maths, guys. Come on, man. I mean, if nobody type in the answer yet. Let's go, guys. That's all, you like the trouble. No, man, that's true. If you have a boyfriend, you must can invest in education. If he's serious about you. I'm telling you already, women give me start in a online business. And look for me now, me one giant. Right now, if you call me and say, Mr. Bennett, I want some money from you, even though we break up, she can get it. Yeah, man, I do city and guilds. I do city and guilds. And next year, guys, I'm taking in 100 city and guilds students. We start register already, only 1,000 to register. $1,000 alone. All right. All right, let's go, guys. So if you break it down, the length here, it'll be x, right? So this is x. This part would be 5, so we put 5 here. And then this would be 2x. So all we have to do is just add them here. So it would be x plus 5 plus 2x. And then we add the like term. So we could put the x's them together. 2x plus 1x plus 5. So the length would have been 3x plus 5. Big up to everybody who got that. We've got it as well. Yeah, Johnny, that's the city angles. And if you look at my channel, you can find the city angles videos as well. Even the diagnostic test, it's on it. So when you can tell the next students something next year. Them supposed to know still. Let me find it. All right. It says the perimeter of the floor is 56. Determine the value of x. So the perimeter equal 56. What's the value of x? What x equal? Courtney said that is simple, man. Yeah. To find 1,000 simple, right? I agree, Courtney. Right. Perimeter mean the total distance around, right? So I could go back up so you guys can see the entire diagram. What the value of x? Somebody says scroll up, start it. I see 17. I see x equal 5. Courtney says, see, said just reword the questions. Guys, I'm gonna be real with you. The paper 2 is different from multiple choice, Paper 2, I guarantee you them are bring some brand new question. Just like when you go on Shein and you buy brand new clothes, a brand new question you get in paper 2. Don't count on it. Say them are gonna repeat the question then. Yeah man, yeah man. So determine the value of x, guys. All right, I could reason it out. So they gave us a clue.
That's really simple.
Yeah. So I could clear it so we can see. We already work out this part to be 3x plus 5. So we know the length of this part already. But guess what? I have to go all the way around the building, right? Remember off my number. Anybody know have my number, they don't want it. All right. We could go around the building now. We know that this is going to be 3x plus 5. We calculate that part there. But we need the measurement from here. Oh, they told us the measurement already, so we don't need it. All we need are the terms then. So this is x, this is 3, this is 5, this is x. So we could do the x first. So we have 1x plus another 1x plus our next 2x, right? So this is the x here, and the x here. Cool. We have the 3 and the 5. So we're going to add those. So 3 plus 5. But we still have to have which measurement? We don't have no more measurement. I that you know. Where that 3 here come from? Oh, that 3 here for there, so you know. So we're gonna add that 3 here. Oh, why did this alone? No, so I wrong sitting me take out, you know. Plus we have the first one, which was 3x plus 5, right? So we could add all of x in. 3x and 1x, 4x, 5x, 7x. Oh, plus the x here. Yeah, bring it for me, bro. How that? Boom. Oh, I cool. All right, respect, bro. Yo, are you cook? All right. So who said I some one big chicken? So guys, this should be 8x, right? 5 and 3, that are 8, and that 11. Something all right, man. I miss out something. Oh, the 5. So we have the 5, 3 that are 8, and that 11. Something missing. Hold on. People just follow me naturally, man, on TikTok. Oh, the extra 5 here, guys. A 2 5 for there, right? See 5 here. See that? Yeah. So a 2 5 for there. So that work out to put the plus 5 again. Oh, it did anyway, it did already. Me just never add it. So this will come on. So that work out to 16, and that must equal 56. So we're gonna subtract 16 from both sides. Sorry guys, as me get my lunch, me get excited and distracted. Sorry about that. So when we subtract, this gonna work out to 40. And then we divide by 8. So x is equal to 5. Alright, so now that we know it's x of 5, and the wrong sheet we pull up in, I want to leave one edit. Right here supposed to be x, right? Yeah. Find the area of this now, guys. Bear in mind, x is 5. Courtney said, go over again. Courtney, give me 1 second. Look over a perimeter again. Yeah, that I them finally bring the lunch. And guess what? No vegetable. Well, that's what my name. Pasta. All right, guys, we go over a perimeter. That 3 is supposed to be here, right? And the x supposed to be here. All right, cool. All of this give you 3x plus 5. Remember, we're looking at the distance around, right? So if that part is 3x plus 5, all of this supposed to be 3x plus 5, right? Because these were the ones that we added in the first place to give us that. So we could add that 3x plus 5 again. So we can cross out this, cross out this, cross out this. But guess what? We still have that x here, because we never have this in the 3x plus 5, right? So we have the x there involved, and we have that x here as well. So we can add another x. And we have 3 right here. We have that 3 here, but we never add that part here. Because remember, you know, we're going all the way around, right? So these are 3x plus 5. These are x. These are whatever that was. These are 3. So I'm going to add the 3. And of course, we have this 3 again. So we add another 3. All of that is equal 56, right? So I'm going to add all of x then. Three x plus that 6x plus 7 that 8x. So now, guys, your students have stuck with me. So we have 5 and 5, 10 and 3 and 3, that's 16. We ready? When you ready? We need to know lunch already? All right, so how we are going to start class? I'm picking this up. I am here relax and you come and stress me out. So now we divide by 8. So x equal 5. Find the area guy. Remember about all of them here. I can go and do it, man. Let's go on. Guys, I saw for running now, but I could do the area. This are x, right? So we break it down into this. This are 3. Remember, so we know say x are 5, right? So that means here's are 5, here's are 5. So 5 times 5, 25. Whatever unit it is. The first one at 25. I could work out this part now. This part is 5. This is 5 plus the 3. How am I get the 3? It's a 3 over here. So this are 3. This are x, so that are 5. So this are 8 by 5. So this will be 40, right? What about this one? 2x times 3. What's x? This should be 2 times 5, which is 10. So it will be 3 times 10 for this part, which is 30. And we add now 3 and 7, that's 95 units square. Or square units. So guys, make sure so when you subscribe, turn on notification. I'm gonna run enough, you know. I work me there, you know. But you don't know, the lunch just come and think. Until I start you with them, man. So guys, take care. Make sure so when you subscribe, turn on notification so I'm live again. The matrices, the vectors, the circle theorem, the graphs, everything coming up, all right? Little more, guys. Little more. Much love.